In today's highly virtualized environments, one of the most common data recovery use cases is restoring full VMware virtual machines. In this video, we will show you how Compass allows easy recovery of VMs from any selected point in time. Customers often like to drive full VM recoveries from the vSphere client familiar to most VMware users. Compass enables this through its Spectrum Protect plugin for vCenter. In the vSphere client, you select the virtual machine you want to restore, select the Actions menu to access the Compass plugin, then select Restore. Here, you select the restore point from which to recover the virtual machine. Cobalt Iron Compass performs incremental forever backups for VMs, and each of these is available as a full VM restore point, without the need for any kind of synthetic full processing. Next, choose if you want to create a new VM or restore to the original VM. Then, select the Restore option. On the Select Resources tab, you can choose what disks you want to recover along with the virtual machine configuration. Next, select the VM data store to recover to. Compass can be configured with multiple data movers and multiple data mover sessions to drive extremely high-performance VM backups and restores. Being able to select a data mover to use for restore becomes very valuable when performing numerous VM restores simultaneously. Select Finish to initiate the full VM restore. Compass now creates and configures the virtual machine in VMDKs and reconstitutes the VM into the VMware data store. And that's it. Compass also supports other virtual machine recovery options, which we explore in other videos.